Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel.
Now for this, get a large mixing bowl and you want to get 200 grams of Brazil nuts. Chuck them in the bowl. About 100 grams or so of macadamia nuts. Then get 250 grams of pitted dates, halved. And about 1 cup or 1 1/4 cups of mixed dried fruits, sultanas, raisins, stuff like that. Then the zest of 1 lemon. Then get about 2/3 of a cup of self-raising flour. Sift that in. Then get about 3/4 of a cup of sugar. We'll just stir all this in. Now lightly whisk 2 eggs and add a teaspoon of vanilla to it. And pour that in. Just stir this. This part is totally optional. You can either add a couple of tablespoons of brandy or whiskey or just some sort of favorite alcohol. Just mix this through as best you can. Now just add 150 to 200 grams 150 to 200 grams of glazed cherries. Just mix this through. Now pour this in a pan, chuck it in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius, which is 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll take about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. After about 1.5 hours, check it. Just put a skewer through the center, and if it comes out clean, it's ready. Alright, that's done. Now just leave it here for about 20 to 30 minutes to cool, and then we'll get on to the next part. Now once you've taken it out of the tin, you put it on there. Just get a little bit of brandy, a couple of tablespoons or something, and just sprinkle it over it. Yummy! Now just wrap it in tin foil and just put it somewhere in a cool, dry place, on the counter, in the cupboard or somewhere, for at least 2 to 3 days. Alrighty, this is ready. 3 days in the foil. Now you just want to get some little colourful, like glazed cherry stuff like this. Just arrange them over the top wherever you want. And get about 1/3 of a cup or so of, well, I'm going to use apricot jam. You can use a different type if you wish. And just pop it in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds, just so it softens and goes a bit runny. Now get your softened apricot jam. And you're done. Just serve it up whenever you're ready.
Simple Cooking, Simple